I said there be a animal who said Penyah ofie na mbakọ ne na ase no makọ akọgye ne ho no mo nyansa no makọ akọgye ne ho no mo agenkyere. I said be na anu ni nansa ni na me ka ho asem abranti etwa na da pa twa na ba etu na no si ne so no oba Ghana no waja no one nam ho ne timu aye ne de
yesi enchanche e wo na afi ana e wodo so a wode beba sesi amno se Mahama any Bank of Ghana governor akopi mo menhia himfie ne ho no ene omode asem akoto Otumfuo nso omusire Otumfuo enka bi e ma Ghana na Ghana economy no entimi enye omu pesa dollar beji nsemu enti Otumfuo enka bi e ma Ghana ko mu Otumfuo kan bia ana economy no ebeja na asna sema mu ko kan ho no no ana kuma for na represent here mo gas ejimi mo maka evintere didi ewura atem na mu hia bia na maduru ho no ene kuma for nso aberu pra Mahama ene Bank of Ghana o ma keka bi pa da chiro mu e wo media se mo hu ensem a Mahama mko ho no no asem popote mo ka chiro Otumfuo amakuma for nso ebu afusa ai Penyah block media mesra say any dey obe like video no da ma subscribe button sama kleke ba notification na correct update na ba kire wa adwen da ma me e wo comment section mesra so baso no chi bro for so anya bi ahye edo has system on say dollar sensem no dey nyame no kure ni abafom on the internet. Let me put it on record. About from on the internet, but on the market today, master there be dollar that's because even as at now, Kotika International Airport, in Dallas, and they peg it at 15 cedis. You peg at 13 cedis. Just say dollars and seven. And I say, you need a dollar buffer. You Google $1 Bank of Ghana and there. They will only rate about no more higher bloggers no qua. Sike Benyano mu kuya juma no qua. On the market, there are 13, 14, 15. But on the internet, go now, yeah, dinner coin free. Na, o ma say juma na we. Bank of Ghana na mo ye. Ya, ale. Ya be burubu mi o. Ma de be burubu mi o. Na, dollar ba for me no. Ana je say NDC government no e kwan bia so ama dollar no e gina na so ko wuni say o me mistake. Na dollar no cost reserve wo o ma mamu ade abru mani monyama ya dollar aba for say ji o mu nsem e de ka Ghana ha ji so mu duplicate dwani from anywhere na emo no ana to force kra e capture e won media budget no so o anema ba ko so emmoa e ma dollar no enyina no na so e ye say ye award contract kwa Ghana ha no mo a yes ye award contract no in dollars in Ghana now no ye twam ana fe internally ye be all transactions in cedis eni say dollar air transaction e wo ma you see 12 fees any ade any e wo say twa sa adenu mo yemfa city enye bibia wo hanom now on that issue no ana Bank of Ghana governor Mr Johnson Esiama e ko pie e wo menhia himfie one some NDC crew ni bi ane ho no o mu ko to Otumfuo enimu say na yesere wada ka bi maye na yesere ka bi maye na Ghana fo ne ntiase say now no yemfa cities na enidwa na yenya dollars ensem no.
Thank you very much for all that you have done for the bank. I remember back in 2016 the roles that Nana played when I was a deputy governor. I was here and Nana was asking me, why have I abandoned you? I just want to thank him that he continued to hold some of us, and beyond that he continued to hold the Bank of Ghana. As you are aware, we have a big center in Kumasi here. Until this morning, we went to look at them. Everything is going on normally, and we are happy about that. Until we just came this afternoon to say a big thank you to Nana and his chiefs, and to ask him to continue praying for us. We are a new administration. We came in barely 5 months ago, and we are trying to fix things as we are aware. Going forward, we need advice, we need wisdom. Where else can we get this if we don't come to Nana? I think that is why we have come. So Nana, we came in about 5 months ago. When we came in, inflation was very high, about 23%. And the CD was also very unstable when we came in. And immediately we got to work. We have the Monetary Policy Committee. We got into serious discussions And see, we implemented a number of measures. We, at the time, were under the IMF program. There's an ongoing program that we met. That program almost failed when we came, but we have managed to sustain the program. Only last month, the 4th review, we passed it. And so that shows that we are making progress. Our sovereign rating has also been upgraded. And see, all that shows that we are making progress in that respect. On the cedi, so we have been preaching to Ghanaians. Say, it is the only legal tender we have.
We say Juma Edition and Sana Ghana mine cost only Bibian Edition woman answer. As a chance as Casam near the Bibia woman. When you cast some inflation and mocking as a question, money, my boy, and dainty, one band never fast for near Yamana, Mona, what type from one, no much near Kai's inflation, not with it. Obis inflation, enemy bottom, a crater mocking, and the same. Mona, which make your money, my. Said you was seeking a woman by a fire now. Ghana Sika 7 no cedi no as a was stroke and dollar a near man in I portrayed American Sika to 200 year to. Say, I am who said, yet they are near see a background near my background near my background near my that dollar so new way and this in the way there. A year a bacostra may seek an on swab. By a dear man who said, Omni are buying a man so many finance minister, no name, governor, no more cabo, my year, Juma Papa. They said the Modia Bamudis Capo, so Norma, no, a Buama Sicano Cofono. My Yama says, Gina Kama El Coso. Tiamasi say, ye per dollar near, you know, go to no so a so no a Trinaba, Amaganes Canadian. He said, the Nipe Busane said, let me Gina was and no idea when I'm Berama and near who said that the dear Yamana ye Bigina. Bigina should be a never says a bit. Ghana, Joanne Bibian so possible. Banks and no say, Omojisica. Yeah, they control deposit near control treasury bills near ye, and ma, you may dear Kosu and Penyah. You know, you pay a day now. I buy a border rules, services will buy in Juma industry, and I was about processing near or honey a ton or honey a two. And no, Brunicas and private sector, bank one was so mocro. The bank you want more than a debate. And you fast with Buama Sajumana Koso. Ghana, so dear number ya Buama
we have been preaching to Ghanaians. Say, it is the only legal tender we have. But it's as though Ghanaians prefer to use the dollar. Until whilst we implement measures to make sure that the cedi is stable, we expect Ghanaians to price in the cedi. It is all that we have. And we will ask help from Nana to also help us to preach that message to Ghanaians. If you go to South Africa, it is the rand they use. If you go to Kenya, it is their shilling that they use. But it appears that in Ghana here, we don't like our own local currency. And we will do our part, but we pray that Ghanaians will, as we improve the economy, that Ghanaians will join us. Now, one final thing I want to say before I take my seat, Nana. The cedi, as we have it now, it was introduced by the first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, on the 19th of July 1965. The cedi was introduced. Until last week, Friday, was exactly 60 years since Kwame Nkrumah introduced the cedi. So we have decided to celebrate it we have outlined a number of activities. Now, all this is meant to tell Ghanaians that the CD is something that is good. It was introduced by the first president of Ghana. If we all embrace the CD will be stable. If we all embrace the CD, our monetary policy will also be effective. And we want to take this opportunity. We will send a formal invitation to Nanano to ask that they join us. We are celebrating it over 6 months. And there will be various activities. At the end of it all, we will have national programs that we pray that Nana and his chiefs will be able to join us to celebrate. And say, I can leave it at this point. Yes, Nana. But just to thank Nana for all that he has done. I do not want to mention it all. Ever since I knew Nana, I'm a son of the palace. He was asking me, why haven't I been here for a while? I'm promising that I will change from today. Nana will see me more often. He will see the rest of my team also more often. We need his prayers. We need his wisdom. Anytime he needs to tell us something, he should just prompt us. We will come. We will get advice. We will get wisdom to continue the way. But thank you.
What I say? You first see the any baby or Ghana because you see the Ghana had more. Ebeba see now who den sem ebegina e $1 no anim because pese dollar ne begin semu edi wom omawu edi wom e ka be fie because amamu no dollar na aboa wom edi wom e ka be fie ite no mu ko dwane ko to amanhia say Otumfuo enke ko hwe Ghana eskafo about 80% Asantehene East Legon executives Asantehene fan club Asantehene na despite mo Asantehene kwa eje say ogun ni say Otumfuo Kambia I don't want to do for the team. I won't feed the pecope. And so I don't know any more. Open so for Cambia. Now, do you? What I say? Now, no, Edru, a bit more my name, Edjan answer. Now, where no more call Kaya. And as I was, now, why don't I say you're doing me? And I said, Mo said about Kevin Taylor pa. Mo but because Enra Kevin Taylor can't say, and my mum say, or no one who said now why you or default and go jail.
So be so a killer chairman, Nasa, or Jin say, and Brand more Ghana. Onye the Ojin sem ye ni bi ni ehwese mra ye djuma na mra nye djuma. Yeah.
O se do so obi se oye bema. Onye de onu no ye ni bi. Na ye hwese mra no ye djuma se mra nye. Meaning se onu anim se adna o ye no. Emeretia e wo se nkotimi dam. Kevin Taylor na ya we ni nsem we. Onu aya we se ado ye no. Emeretia also bi ye bia. Emra betimi emra no be man ba kro ho a kire no. O ya we. Ba onu because of stupid politics in Tia Jack and on fan Hunkudi. What I say? Ejano, on fan Hunkudi. Enumu, and as I was, now what does a Juniana? Momo Panabedi at Temuya. Now was at the bench, and the Muslim de also do Mahama ne, the Bank of Ghana Juma.
We see a dim comocacre. Dear Dashui, a horse and a mebeka. European so, Nana, Boom Muansi. Because I am queer, Mr. Nidim, fetch me. And your bonny cry. NDC party, MPP party, me pamucho. Titru ye NDC for Ebimu. Mu say your opinion will my way. Afedi, Muhu say your opinion will wha, a do dear dinner your corner nancy, a copper foot you, a copper moi. Muhu. Ana mutimi makwan. Ma eskon ma Kevin Taylor. Edi ye wura opemso enimi ye fom. Mutimi makwan. Na mu wi amasa afa akire asa akọ se. Wo hirimpoyi amwa ma Ghana ntimi nkoso. Ma NDC mu party ni ntimi ntumpom. Na me pese mbusa se ye chechire wo man ya na se ye chechire atamdidie. Ene abofra mo frɛ ne Kevin Taylor mutimi hye na chi mani timi didi wa yirimpon wo yatam moni amu mo amfare President Mahama enye wani wu Bank of Ghana Penyah no otiano na okọ Otumfuo de no okoye hwensem a atwere guo economy ni nye me pacho ayambia no yawura opim so ono ne president yana afedie mahu mo ya ade a aya monwene wo se asempanyimfo sabi mo ya ade a aya monwene wo se asekandifo a mudi wo man nanim ma mo nhye mofrachi mani ni di mpanimfo atam enye yawura opim so nko panini bia sabi eduru dia dina panini timitu ana mo pama oman Ghana bia no ye ni di natam Mosidei economy no asai ene dollar no ye bibia akwakoye dollar tie wura mrem no ne World Bank defo enko kata afede mo hu se wo ye panina eduru dia dina yesu kire no wo ye panina eduru dia dina ye kone na ase NDC party munsi mutrase ewa ndimguase mu Mr President Mahama wonnim pefese de Kevin Taylor edi ya santefo ana wodi ye wura enye nanso so oba ya no wasa ati na hye wontumem ama ne baby partner ape security a ye de o man tax a ye tua ye nto ye nyima mo friends ye tax atua ye tua ana mo de hwe no mamu nye wiase sa nene yutu na ba no mamen kasa ntra mo mamu ma panini bi nhye mochi ama mo nya de eni kwa se obeye wasa anu ho abepa acho kamya ko yesese Ghana ha no wano odina ana nipa tie wano odina ana nipa hu ni se wo ye bema nanso enye saa metie enye saa ne de tete ye na amanyo sem ne be pie mu no enne saa kanfo mo be hwa ye mu atete akanfo ye mu atete odosro nko ne wo ye ntam no sese ni hobio enam amanyo sem ti ye de mpapa mu ana mpanimfo ne bi susu ekwan da wo mu adwene ho no obu susu ama kwan ana wo mama amanyofo na fa ho ana youth ni susu yesenke sori no ye susu no de ye bedie ye nwini da atinti ye ma kwan na mpanimfo no hye echi se ye nya bibi ni yeso ye nya taku ento aduane ni na ne de obedi ni ne o na echi na asem ye ebi wo se usu benyini aba ba ye panni bi obenye sa dibire no na ne obi bo wo pama wo ye no wo so obi bebo obi pama ye dibia ye wo amanyofo munya very careful ye di mpanimfo atama dia di president ne kra oteso no kra ni edi natam ye makofa aba no enti se yi a madam fu bi asem bi a woka o se aba ye di botachi no ye di bebo ba wo ye ya ye di aba no bebo na abegino ye di bebo madam fu bi o pepe ni bi a wo ye menua o se so bu kasa danduru waka o so onye o ebre ni dura obi hu danduru ho dani dura na bi Mr President ye bibi fa ho onipa wa ye yie ebe wanim guase medas
we Ghana nkomo say Bank of Ghana Governor Owura Johnson Esiama akọ Kumase akọ Owura Asantehene tumfo se to ababi honom say omoa no na dollar no a ene ofa ha no mo a obi kura ton body a o charge no dollars obi ton banchi a o charge no dollars obi de ne store ma han a o charge no dollars enti saa de no ha adwuni ye pa enti Asantehene fana no ntumbi na say yeah international connections no ne ade de omoa na emmoa na economy ne niema nye yie awu se da bia ya no hu se panyi ofie na mbokọ na ase no makọ akọje no ho no mo nyansa no makọ akọje no ho no mo agenkyere awu se be na anu ni na nsani na me ka ho asem abrante etwa na da pa etwa na ba etu na no si ni so no oba Ghana no Moja no one nam ho ne timu aye ne de. Obeto akoso no wadi atem da bia. Mo ma mo home ne so a odi America wakọ Asantehene ho no mo. Ekọ akọpẹ ne nchen se ommoa. Na are na wa nwunye wa de. We are Bank of Ghana governor. Obi beka say oh we a technocrat. We a technocrat and so no eba government of the day na appointing no president of the day na appointing no party a odi aban no ono e na appointing no ba omia no we deputy governor no aban bi mre so e na appointing no onya akonya ne koye adwuma e Bank of Ghana na Asantehene amukọ no so wonya oden on so oye batampa oji obia on so oba on so waje ofefefe mokwa no makọ nkola achi so omunni na tem omuntwa na dapa na emom eto apenti dia na mo di America na mokọ ho ya na mokọ ho ya na mo se mokọ ho no dia na ya na mokọpe no ho on so di America akọ ho no se for the dollars ha adwene system ni mpa ofa ha na dollar obi ton bancha dollar obi ton we dollar nti Otumfuo moa Otumfuo woni Donald Trump na ti America no moa adapa twa de mu behu kwan no mama nkoda akotwa na adapa na mu wi a makopɛ sɛ omoa na menhu ye mobɔ sɛ o my Ghana makra mu
Obet ma kyerɛ wa adwene ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.